Thank you very much for joining me again. So do you know this feature? If you're tapping on any Samsung or any Android keyboard, and it will suggest you emoji according to your conversation. So let's say I'm just happy, and it is giving me this happy emoji, and it's keep changing. And if you tap, see, it's all happy emojis they are giving you. So but let's say if your conversation is kind of sad, it will give you all sad emojis. So in this video we're going to see how we can turn on and off those things. It's called the suggestive emojis. So it's very simple when you're just tapping something. So let's say we are tapping something, so just go this in the settings, you'll find this is the suggest emojis. So when you just turn it off, it will not suggest any kind of emojis during your conversation. Or if you want to have those emojis for the quick tapping, so just turn this on and your keyboard will suggest whatever the possible best emojis according to your conversation. I hope you like that video. Share with your friend, subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you.